All right, I got this Lasco box fan, the 3-way switch stopped working, so we're going to replace it. First, I'll show you what's been going on. It's actually creating sparks up in there. I don't know if you can see that. Look up in there, and you might, if I can get the angle right for you, you might just see a spark. You can see when I'm turning it on. So, definitely a fire hazard. So we're gonna get it switched out. Lasco box fans are nice because there's only 6 screws holding them on. Knockoff brands have more. So same type of switch is used on both, so this video should help you out no matter what brand of fan you have, but you might have more screws than I do. Unplug it so you don't electrocute yourself. As you can see, this fan has seen some better days. I'll do a little cleanup on the repair job off camera. Yeah, I've been in here before because this has an epoxy. The kids totally busted it. Anyways, I'll get this taken care of today. Or on camera, I mean. But yeah, this just pops right out. And so yeah, the spark is actually creating a bubble in the plastic there. All right. On other ones, they've actually had little things that just pull right out, but looks like I might have to snip these ones. You got left, neutral, neutral, 1, 2, 3. Let me go grab my other replacement and see what we got. All right, so here's the cheaper version of a knockoff model. Not a Lasco, some other cheaper model, but still a 20-inch fan blade with 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3, and an L, which should be line for hot, L. So the only difference is this one has 2 ends, neutral, neutral. So the plan is going to be to go L, 1, 2, 3 on these 4 corresponding spots, and then the 2 neutrals, I'm just going to connect them together, see how that does. So I'll do them one by one so we don't get lost. Alright, so that's L. Take this off first. May just do that L last. See if we have any better luck with these ones. At least these are a single wire, so they should be Yeah. It's going to be easier to jam them in there because they're a single wire. But not that easy. Okay, this is a 1. So I need to get some more wire. We can bring it around here. See if we can get this guy to cooperate now. Alright, I can chop these off. It'd be really nice if this is a single wire too, but the fact that it's not making it difficult to get in there. I don't love that connection, but it might just have to do. I'm going to try to slowly bend it in the position. Stick our nut on. All right. Connect our 2 neutrals. Wonder if it'll work without a neutral. Huh. What do you think? Try no neutral first, or connect the neutrals together? If you don't want anything arcing. We'll connect them. Make sure everything's up out of the way. What do you think? More sparks with the repair than before? Or do you think it's going to work well? That's definitely not gonna work. To get that thing tighter. This works, I'll definitely tape up those neutrals with electrical tape, but I'll see what's up first. All right, here we go. Everybody stand clear. There you go. That's how you fix your three-way box fan. Switch with a cheaper one. So yeah, you can buy that on AliExpress, eBay, various places. One of those switches for about $1. I think that I got that one on for like $3 with shipping on eBay, but I think AliExpress might have had one for like $1. Might be able to get free shipping on your first purchase or something. So anyways, I'm gonna tape that up, put the cover on, do some tape job on this, but no need to see all that. So hopefully this helps you out. Catch you on the next one.